So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to resize a video in CapCut PC. You can adjust the aspect ratio and size. So in CapCut, there are different ways to resize your video. This guide will cover the options so that you can achieve your desired look. First, add the video to your project and then drag it over to the timeline. Now in the top right corner, go to Video and then go to Basic. Then select Transform. Here you'll find the scale option. Click and drag the slider to zoom in and out. You can also click and drag within the preview window for the reposition to reposition the video, and use the corner points in the preview to zoom in as well. To undo any changes, you can press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. If you want to resize for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, you might want a vertical format. So below the video preview, click on Ratio and choose from the options like 9:16. And if you see black bars, use the scale option to zoom in and fill the frame. You can also use the corner points to adjust the zoom. Alternatively, instead of scaling, you can also add a background. With the clip selected, scroll to the bottom and find Canvas. And here you can choose Blur. This can look better than the black bars. Adjust the zoom to your liking, and you can also add other elements like media, overlays, text, music, and voiceovers. That's how you can go ahead and resize your video on CapCut. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.